Welcome back, guys. A stroke often occurs with little or no warning, and the results can be devastating. Today we're talking about neuro interventional stroke care and treatment options with Dr. Hugo Cuellar with Ochsner LSU Health Shreveport. Doctor, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
So for everyone watching us at home right now who may not be totally familiar with what a stroke is, can you explain this to us?
Sure. A stroke is also called a cerebrovascular accident, and that's basically when the blood supply to the brain is interrupted. That can happen either because a blood clot clogged one of the brain arteries, or because one of those arteries is leaking, and in which case it would be called a hemorrhagic stroke.
Yes, and what we said earlier is that if you don't know that a stroke is happening, the results can be devastating. So for people watching us at home right now, who actually is at risk for a stroke?
Well, 75% of the strokes will happen in people 65 years of old or older. That doesn't mean that younger people can have a stroke. And if you have hypertension, diabetes, if you smoke, if you have a sedentary lifestyle, and your diet can also influence your risk of stroke.
Yes, and are there any signs that we should look for as far as how to recognize when a stroke is happening? Are there things that we would be able to see?
Right. There's an acronym that is very useful that's called BFAST. And BFAST stands for balance, any problems with your balance, eyes, any problems with your vision. F is for face, when you have face drooping. A is for arms, if you have your arm weakness.
Okay.
And then S is for speech, if you have any problems, getting your words out, or if you have any problems understanding what other people are telling you. And then the T is for time to go to the ER.
Okay. Yes, so tell us about Ochsner LSU Health Shreveport and what you guys have available for people who have suffered for stroke.
Sure. Ochsner LSU is a stroke center. Stroke center is a certified hospital that offers specialized treatment for people with stroke. From the minute you show up at the ED to the moment you're discharged, you're going to be treated by a group of specialists that are, certified in treating stroke. We can offer the medical management of stroke and the surgical management of stroke.
Yes, and it's very important for everyone at home to be more familiar with strokes, especially as they get older, if they have family members that perhaps could be at risk. It's very important for everyone out there to do their homework. You guys are sponsoring our Fit for Life Expo this year, and there will be experts from Ochsner LSU there to help people educate them on stroke and another number of things that affect our community.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, thank you so much, Doctor, for being with us today.
Thank you.
Lots of useful information, guys, and when we come back, we're telling you how you can save